Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to go ahead and sell crypto in eToro. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure that you watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official eToro website if you have not already by going to eToro.com, and from here you're going to be greeted by the main page. If you're on your mobile device, just go ahead and open up the application itself. So you're going to see join eToro right here to sign up for an account if you do not already have one. If you have one, just log in normally using the login button in the upper right corner. So once you have logged in, you are going to be greeted by this main page right here. This is the home page from where we can get started. The left side of the screen, you're going to be able to see the menu with all the options. And now let's go and take a look at this article right here on the official eToro website on how to convert crypto to fiat. This is converting crypto to your currency that you want to use, dollar, euro, doesn't matter. So selecting your crypto, you're going to open up your eToro wallet and choose Bitcoin, Ethereum, or whatever you're using, whichever crypto you want to trade. So you already need to have your crypto in your eToro wallet and your wallet ready. So after that, you're going to enter an amount, convert any amount starting from $100. All fees will be transparently displayed, and then the converted funds are instantly added to your euro account or USD account, whichever option you're using. So all of that is going to be available right here on the left side of the screen. Open up your wallet and your crypto directly and select the sell option that you want to sell it. After that, enter the amount you want to sell and it's going to convert it into your wallet. So that's how to do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.